In other news, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has held a bilateral meeting with German Foreign Minister Johann Wadephul in New Delhi today. Following the meeting, Jaishankar noted the importance of strategic relations between India and Germany. And I'm quoting here, this relationship is growing in substance, and I can see at this time of uncertainty that actually it has a greater value. Meanwhile, Germany's Wadephul has expressed his interest in strengthening cooperation with India and doubling the trade between the countries, which currently stands at over 31 billion euros. Megha Sharma with us on the broadcast. Megha, take our viewers to the details, please.
Today, the German foreign minister has been on a 3-day tour to India. He has arrived in Delhi, and the first meeting that he has held in the national capital is with the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. He is very shortly going to be headed to meet the Prime Minister of the country as well, after which he will be planning and landing in Germany in a few hours from now. But the key aspects of this one-on-one meeting that has been held between both the leaders, between both the External Affairs Ministers, is about the symbiotic relationship that the two countries need to further build on, bolster when it comes to the trade, when it comes to particularly about how the emphasis has been on the 33 billion euro worth of trade that has been the highest in 2024 between India and Germany. It has hardly been a trade deficit from India's side, perhaps a fraction of what it is between India and China. And the idea in the future is to further bolster trade to at least double it, if not more. Just to give you a perspective of how the trade between Germany and China stands at, which is its biggest trading partner, is at around 680 billion euros versus India and Germany trade that stands at about 33 billion euros. So there is a lot of potential, a lot of opportunities. Of course, there is defense, there is semiconductors, artificial intelligence. These all have been some of the aspects that have been spoken about at length between both the leaders, between both the External Affairs Ministers.
Right.
There was another big aspect that was touched upon, that was also made in the speech that had been made by the External Affairs Minister of Germany, Johann Wadephul, who went on and said that the people-to-people connect, the culture connect, where there are more and more number of students and skilled laborers from India that are being given entry into Germany, and they are going to continue to do that. So that also forms a major part of the way India-Germany ties go on, even as we see in the neighboring United States of America, where there has been a massive backlash that has been made under the Trump administration over the entry of Indian workers as well as Indian students wanting to study and work in America.
All right.